Good morning mga pipsag angkis, kakain tayo ng orange. Mga pipsag angkis, kain tayo ng orange. Ito, gawa ni Habi kagabi. So it's very fine that we eat it. Sarap. Sarap. Ito siya. Ang sabi ko kasi nilang gabi, mainit. Pero medyo ko siya. Pero kasi hindi ko siya. So, isa ko siya. Pero kasi mainit pa siya. So, yan ko na. Ito lang siya kahit na. Saka ito yung orange card. Hindi ko nakita ng orange. Tapos kasi nakita ko. Yan yung asawa ko. Yung nalito. So, yan. Ito naman. Ay, kung yan isa. Dan. Yung bibig isa. So, minsan naman inarigyan naman ta. Good morning guys. Kawi-pick up ko lang. I'm whispering again because my hubby is still sleeping. So I just wanna show you na yung piniprepare niya last night for my breakfast for today, for in the morning before I went to work. So I'm gonna show it up. So this is the one how the way he put. So I don't know what is this. Oh wow, it's an orange. He prepared that already last night. It's nice. So there is no pakatabi. It's very fine the way to do it. Wow, so nice. And then coffee, kasi since then na nag-try siyang mag-coffee sa akin na ginawa na ko. Gusto ko na ng coffee, ayaw ko na ng tea sa morning, sa gabi na. And this is for my breakfast. Hindi na po kung ano ito. Palagay ko guys, yung parang sausage slice. Hindi ko nabuksan kasi mahirap maghawak yung ako ng anak ko dito ko. So it's the sausage roll, I think. Yeah, it's the sausage roll. I'm gonna warm it up. I'm gonna warm up first. Okay, see you then. Morning mga pipsagan kids. I'm going to eat my breakfast today that my hubby prepared last night. So this is the one that he put it on top of my coffee cup. I just put it in the oven, just finished. So look at that now, it's a little bit like brown and crunchy. So before he put it in this plastic on top of my coffee cup, and then I have this for my work later, so I will have an energy. It's an energy drink. So now guys, we are going to eat.